Alright, today is going to be a special video because I'm happy to report I got a new weed whacker. It wasn't by my choice. I had one and it died. And I'm not going to say the name of the brand because I don't want to upset craftsmen, but we're just going to keep it anonymous. So I got a new one. It's Greenworks, and I did Greenworks because I already own a couple of Greenworks items. I got a pressure washer and I've got a leaf blower, and I like both of them a lot, in fact. So I already have the battery for the leaf blower, and the weed whacker I got has the same battery. It's the 80 volt battery. So I was able to buy the weed whacker off of Amazon, and it was like $129 without the battery. Of course, the battery is like the most expensive thing about these things. And so here it is. It's the 80 volt Greenworks Pro. This is what it looks like. Pretty well packed. That's where the battery goes. Charge. Extra string. Extra string. A little handle attachment. Alright, now this is the Greenworks blower that I really like. Battery works, and I got the 80 volt battery. So I'm going to pop this in here and see how this works. Oh, it works. It looks like it's got this safety on here, so you gotta have that come out. Or, yeah, you can't turn it on unless you have your hand on the safety. And it's pretty comfortable. It's really not that heavy. My concern was that it was going to be too heavy because these batteries can weigh a lot. But it's like pretty well balanced. As you can see, the balance point is like sort of right where your hand is, which is pretty great design. If it was off balance, then that'd be sort of really tiring after a while. Okay, YouTube, I am super happy to report that the new Greenworks Weed Whacker is incredible. It's the 80 volt, and here's what I did. I weed whacked from down there all the way, this whole area, this area, and up under that tree and up on that hill. So all of this took me about an hour. Excuse me. Took me about an hour. And this thing did not quit, did not slow down. It was incredible. So much better than my previous one. And it did not even show signs of slowing down over an hour, which is like pretty incredible. So I think this is the biggest thumbs up review I can give. Greenworks, you didn't let me down. So there you go. Go out and get yourselves one. It's totally worth it.